Okay, welcome to passboard exam, no, for REE. Those who are preparing for REE April 2025 passboard exam for registered electrical engineer. Okay, so let's try. Example number 1 of passboard exam for REE. It says that a constant current of 5 ampere flows through a resistor in half a minute. Find the quantity of charge passing through the resistor. So as I've said, dapat katihanta in every sentence or word to word, dapat kahatihan siya. Okay, so unahin natin muna yung first sentence. A constant current. Ano yung sabihin ng constant current? So the same, no, yung flow. Dito class ay 5 amperes hanggang diretso yan sa 5 amperes kasi sabi dyan, a constant current of 5 amperes. So may binigay siya class, ang current I natin is 5 amperes. The unit of current is amperes. Can you follow? So a constant current of 5 amperes, or actually class, ang 5 amperes, that is actually 5 coulomb per second. Ang ampere, unit ng current, ang ibig sabihin nun, that is coulomb per second. No? Ang coulomb is for charge, ang coulomb class is for charge, ang second is of course time. So mangyari, your current I is actually charge over time. Pwede, no? Diba? Kasi ang coulomb is the unit for charge, no? The unit for charge, coulomb. Pwede din electron, pwede rin proton. Okay, and also coulomb, that's the unit of charge. Then ang second, that is the unit of for time. So again, given ang current, no, constant current of 5 amperes, ibig sabihin ng amperes, that is coulomb per second. So meaning 5 coulomb per second. So the equation for current I is just Q over T. Your Q is the charge, then of course your T is time. Right? So again, basahin natin, no? A constant current of 5 amperes flows through a resistor in half a minute. Ano ibig sabihin ng half a minute? Ang ibig sabihin class ng half a minute, kasi naka-seconds yung, no, naka-seconds ang current natin is coulomb per second. So dapat ang time natin must be in what? Must be in second. So since binigay ang time natin, which is how much? Half a minute. That is 1/2 minute, no? 1/2 minute is actually 60 seconds. Alright? Can you follow? Okay. Again, no? A constant current of 5 amperes flows through a resistor in half a minute. So ito na siya, no? Ito na ang given. Find the quantity of charge. Find the quantity of charge passing through a resistor. So he is asking class for the quantity of charge. That is, he is asking for Q. Can you follow? He is asking for Q. Find the quantity of charge passing through the resistors. So your charge Q, di ba? Based from the current, no? The unit is current is coulomb per second. That is current I is equals to charge over T. Okay, so he is asking for charge Q. Of course, your Q is equals to IT. Diba? Your I is current and your T is time. Sorry, that is not 60 seconds, no? Erase. Ang half a minute class is 30 seconds. Ang half a minute is 30 seconds. Then your Q, no? Our Q is equals to 5 ampere, which is 5 coulomb per second times time 30 seconds. So cancel out. So your Q is 150 coulomb, right? Naintindihan class? So the coulomb, the charge Q is 150 coulomb. So thank you for watching.